and welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Wednesday, July 31st, 2013. Well, a very large candle today. The range of this candle is very extensive, significantly larger than the range of the previous 3 or 4 days trading, and is quite significant because the market has attempted to trade above that highlighted zone of resistance and above the strong 133.20 level and been rejected from there, and tried to trade it below the 132.50 level, the bottom of this highlighted zone of support, for the 4th consecutive trading day and been rejected from there. So a candle of indecision, but the size of the body is very much larger than we've seen for the 3 trading periods, and it suggests that the buyers have found some upside momentum. The buyers have made some net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close, and does suggest that sentiment may be swinging back to the buyers. The buyers did lose commitment as they tested up around the 133.20 level and beyond, so that will be an important barrier for this market today. So what we want to see is a bullish close up above there, and if we do see a strong bullish close up above 133.20, we could quickly see this market testing up to around the 134 level. The buyers have closed with control of this market by closing up between the midpoint level and the high, and that's also suggesting that the buyers are attempting to build some momentum for an assault on this 133.20 level. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, the market technically is still in a downtrend, even though we have this indecisive outside bar in bar chart terms, and we had another one of those for the previous day's trading, so it does raise some doubt about continuation of the trend to the downside, and with the buyers gaining control here, it suggests that we may see the market continue to higher levels. We have seen the market testing below the 50%, 61.8%, and testing almost to the 78.6% and being rejected from there in a significant manner, suggesting that we may see the trend change, or at least the market trade to higher levels and close above significant resistance. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement here, we've seen the market testing once again below the 23.6% level and testing almost to the 38.2% level and being rejected strongly from there, so adding weight to the argument that there is potential for a change of trend to the upside. Now, in terms of patterns, and here today we've seen extension of the highs and the lows within this pattern, and it was an inverse type triangle, megaphone type pattern. They usually tend to be at the end of major moves, but this is an inverse triangle. They're very hard to trade, and if you look at the barrier that we drew for the previous day's trading, it was through here, and the market traded outside the barrier but failed to close outside of there. So what we're looking for is a close either above or below, so we do need to wait for resolution here. What we're seeing is the market becoming more and more volatile, and the buyers are becoming stronger for a short-term gain up above the highs, but the sellers are becoming stronger for a short-term gain down below the lows. But the shadows here represent them losing commitment above and below those areas, so a lot of indecision but a lot of volatility in this market. In terms of Ichimoku, a bullish market in the long-term time frame, and that does support the possibility of the breakout being of that pattern being above the upper barrier. So what we want to see is a bullish close up above there, and obviously that would mean a bullish close above that 133.20 level, and suggest that the market will find momentum to the 134 level. So bullish in the long-term time frame. In the medium-term time frame, the market is trading above the Kijun-sen, so that's suggesting that we will see the market appreciate as well, in line with the second time frame trend that we're seeing here. But the market's also trading above the Tenkan-sen, so we're bullish in the short-term time frame, and the Chikou span here is above the corresponding price action, so it's confirming bullishness and is suggesting that this market will trade to higher levels. Interestingly today, and I've mentioned this many times, that when we see a market that has strong upside momentum, and we can see the upside momentum in that short-term time frame by the angle of the Tenkan-sen, it's pointing up very sharply. The Tenkan-sen is the first area that we see strong support come in, and we've seen that for today's trading, and very strong rejection from there, and it does suggest that this market is finding some solid momentum at the moment with the buyers, and there is a good possibility of a test up above the 133.20. Obviously what we want to see is early bullish activity up above there and a close up above there, and I think we could easily see the market testing to significantly higher areas.